video, we will discuss the options for fresh passed, intermediate and graduates along with young unemployed and also those struggling to keep their jobs. Although the effects of COVID-19 has been devastating for educated young people of India with very few jobs and those with jobs losing them, today the best option for them is education. Education is the most empowering force in the world. It creates knowledge, builds confidence and breaks down the barriers to opportunity. In these trying times with very few or no jobs and young people with jobs losing them, education abroad opens up many opportunities. A latest report of New Indian Express is even scary for fresh graduate. It writes in India, 2/3 of firm level apprenticeship and 3/4 of internship were completely interrupted during the pandemic. The report calls on government to adopt urgent and targeted measures to generate jobs for the youth, keeping education and training on track and to minimize future scaring of more than 660 million young people. Now that you have completed your bachelor's, what are your plans? If you are a fresh engineering graduate, then there are 15 lakhs who passed out this year with you, who are also looking for a job. And what about the jobless engineering graduates from the past few years who continues to look for a job? According to 2019 figure reported by the All India Survey on Higher Education 2019 report by Ministry of Human Resources, only 20% find employment, especially those from IITs and NITs and a few choice private engineering colleges. However, with the pandemic COVID-19, the unemployment figures are going to be much higher. If you have completed your BBA or BCom, jobs have been extremely difficult to get with the present situation. It is very difficult. Let's see what happens if you do your MBA. Till 2019, less than 45% MBAs got a job, with good jobs going to students graduating from IIM, XLRI, FMS, BIMS, etc. And with the current scenario, it is getting very difficult for fresh MBA graduates to get a job. And what about the students who have completed their intermediate? Just before I posted this question, I had discussed in detail the plight of the fresh bachelors in engineering, commerce and business. They have to look for alternate options right away because 2 to 4 years from now, it is going to be even worse. What should you do now? For engineering and MBA graduates, going abroad to study in the best option. Similarly, of currently working employees, content explore and gain more knowledge for studying abroad because very soon market is going to crash and companies need cheap labor with extraordinary knowledge. Why one should study abroad? Top quality education in a highly sophisticated atmosphere. Explore the world. World-class infrastructure and research labs. Improve your communication skills. Get international experience for your CV. Discover yourself. Make friends from all corners of the world. Become global citizen. Broaden your knowledge. Experience world-class cuisine. Travel and gain a new perspective on the world. Great job opportunities after completion of study program. Where can you go? USA, UK, Canada, Australia and New Zealand. The tuition fees is very high as also the cost of living. For 2 years master program, the cost could be between 20 and 35 lakhs. The new destinations are the European countries like Germany, Italy, France, Malta, Sweden, Latvia, etc. where the tuition fees is from 0 to very low, and Italian government also gives a living stipend of up to 5,200 euros per year. Studying abroad is a big decision, but so glad you chose it. It's a whole new world out there and we are here to hold your hand the entire journey. We can help you with choosing the right country to study and find you the best. Walk into your nearest Videsh Consult office for a free counseling session today. We wish you all the best for the exciting adventure of studying abroad. And here are some most popular countries chosen by most of the students. UK. UK offers the finest education, world-renowned universities, low tuition fees and scholarship available. Fee starts from £6,000 per year, 2 years work permit after the course completion. Germany. 7th richest and 8th industrialized country, more than 500 programs to choose from, home to 45 of the top 100 universities in the world. Fee starts from 0 to 1,000 euros per year, 18 months work permit after the course completion. Italy, 8th richest and 7th industrialized country, 35 universities in the world top 1000 list, offers world-class research opportunities, free or low tuition fees with 5200 euros scholarship per year, 12 months stay back option. Malta, progressive education system, affordable tuition fees from 3000 euros per year, one of the most popular destination among the Indian students, courses leading to PR, lowest unemployment rate. France, globally recognized degrees, university fee starts from 2500 euros per year, 39 universities in world top 1000 list, up to 12 months stay back options, high standard of living. Please do subscribe and click on the bell button to get regular updates about European countries and universities.